Ever thought how much easier and safer driving could be with a smart dash cam watching your back? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Imagine a device that records in crystal clear 2K QHD, offers intelligent surveillance, detects motion and impacts, and connects seamlessly to your phone, creating a 24/7 personal security system for your car. Let's talk about the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam and see if it's the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam, rear dash cam, a car charger, rear camera cable, a wiring trim tool, mounting accessories, a user manual, and hardwiring cable. If you want to grab the Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam from Amazon, just tap on the link in the description below. Product overview. Voice recording button. Recording button. GPS LED. Format button. Recording LED. V-in input port. Wi-Fi LED. DC in power port. Speaker. Wi-Fi button. Power button. Microphone. Memory card slot. Reset button, security LED mount connector, front camera lens, adhesive mount, rear camera lens, connection port. Smart features. Powered by a dynamic Sony Starvis image sensor and advanced WDR technology, every detail is recorded, ensuring exceptional clarity, whether it's day or night. Advanced ISP technology ensures bright, clear footage in low-light conditions like dark alleys or parking lots. The Thinkware Q800 Pro offers excellent video quality with wide dynamic range for balanced lighting in harsh conditions. Smart auto exposure adjusts brightness levels for optimal clarity. Dewarping video technology ensures natural-looking footage with minimal distortion. Built-in Bluetooth allows hassle-free dash cam pairing with your compatible Android or iOS device via the Thinkware Dash Cam Link app. Once paired, adjust your dash cam settings or replay and download your latest driving videos on the go. An advanced suite of safety features designed to enhance your driving experience by actively reducing the risk of collisions and minimizing the severity of potential injuries. These intelligent systems continuously monitor your surroundings and provide real-time audio alerts to keep you aware of nearby vehicles, pedestrians, and road hazards. With hardwiring, the Q800 Pro offers parking protection by recording when motion or impact is detected. Features include mode, time-lapse, energy-saving mode, and motion and impact detection. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two simple methods to install your dash cam. Connecting via the cigarette lighter socket. Hardwiring the dash cam to the interior fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. To insert the memory card into the memory card slot, ensure that the metal contacts on the memory card are facing toward the product's buttons and insert it into the slot until you hear a click. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press it firmly onto the film. Align the dash cam with the mount and slide it in until it clicks securely. Adjust the camera's vertical angle to properly capture the road. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the car charger to the dash cam, then insert the DC-in plug into the car's cigarette lighter socket securely. Ensure the connection is firm and the dash cam powers on when the vehicle is started. Mount the rear camera at the top center of the rear windshield facing outward. Clean the glass, then secure the camera using the provided adhesive or bracket. Route the cable along the interior trim to the front unit and plug it into the main dash cam. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add a fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download and install the Thinkware Connected and Thinkware DashCam Link app. Open the Thinkware DashCam Link app and register your dashcam. Ensure your phone is connected via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Open the Thinkware Connected app and sign in to your account. Tap Register a device and enter a barcode number to register the dash cam. Then synchronize with your driving footage and parking recordings. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Thinkware Q800 Pro dash cam. See you in the next one.